Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rory Nessis. If you're new to my channel, consider giving a like, share, subscribe, and tap the post notification bell so that you'll get notified. In today's video, I'm going to teach you another dance term, skip step. Ay, grabe kayo, na-miss ko kayo sobra. Guys, thank you so much sa patience niyo ha. And gusto ko din magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga good comments na natatanggap ko. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yun kasi bihira yung mga bata ngayon na nakaka-appreciate ng effort ng mga YouTubers. I'm so grateful that we still have kids like this. And sa mga bata naman na hindi maganda yung comments, siguro, ang masasabi ko, try to look at the good side of life para ma-appreciate natin every little things na sa paligid natin. Wait na guys, mag-change outfit muna tayo ah. Boom! So yun guys, makapag-change tayo ng outfit and iba na yung transition eh. So yun, hindi ko naman sinasabi na perfect ako, pero kung kaya pa naman na i-change natin yung mga bad comments natin, may nakita akong YouTuber sabi na kanina na everything starts from your head. So you have to think really well kung tama ba yung dapat mong gawin o tama ba yung ginagawa mo. Para pag pumunta na sa katawan mo, mapiperform mo siya ng tama or whatever. Kung hindi ka man naniniwala sa tama, then you'll do it the wrong way. I'm not saying na I'm perfect kasi minsan nagkakaproblema din ako sa buhay. Pero as much as I can, gusto kong tumulong at magbigay ng values na mga natutunan ko din sa mga tao. We need Lula Kikai's book. Ay guys, so magsimula tayo. Skip step. Mabilis lang to guys. Ilalagay ko yung definition dyan or yung literature ng skip step. Skip step, music in 2/4 time, counts 1, a, 2, a. 1, a, 2, a. Pero yung tamang beat niya is 1, a, 2, a, 1, a, 2, a. Wait. 1A, 2A, that's one measure. Pero pag dinagdagan natin 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A, that's two measures. Kung makita nyo guys, ayan may arrow. Sabi dito, may kita kayo na step right, that's R, step R, that means step right foot. Beside it is the L, which is left foot, and naka-enclose siya sa parentheses. So, ibig sabihin yan, option guys. Pwede kayong magsimula sa right, at pwede kayo magsimula sa left. Depende kung saan kayo sanay. So ako sanay ako sa left, magsisimula ako sa left. So let's begin. Step left foot in fourth, in front. So that's fourth position kasi ito yung first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So pero left yung gagamitin ko. First, second, third, fourth. So yan yung fourth position. Step right foot in fourth position. Of course, there's a transfer of weight. That's count 1. Hop on left foot in place. Count A. A. Ulitin natin. 1. A. Diba mukhang mahirap siya kung titingnan mo yung mga notes dyan tsaka yung literature. Pero ganyan lang siya kasimple guys. 1. A. Pero, there are two skips to a measure in 2/4 time. So, dalawa daw sa isang measure. 1A, isa yon. 2A, pangalawang skip step. Ulitin natin. 1A. Ang pangalawang skip step na gawin natin, we'll use the right foot this time. So, just step your right foot with the transfer of weight, 1, and hop on A. A. That's it. Very easy. I'll do it once more. 1A, 2A. Very easy, di ba? Nahirapan na kayong tingnan yung mga notes tsaka yung literature kasi sobrang complicated siya. Pero kung i-breakdown ko talaga siya into pieces, sobrang easy niya lang. This is executed in any direction. Pwede kayo pumunta ng forward, 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A. Moving backward, 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A. Or going diagonally right, 1A, 2A, A, 2A, backward 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A. Or diagonal left, 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A, backward 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A. So yun siya. Any direction. Or pwede kayong like this one. 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A, 1A, 2, So yun yung gagawin natin. Of course, before that, I'll do a little bit of intro and we'll insert the skip step and then outro. And that's it. Ibababa ko muna to para maturuan ko kayo. So ganito siya. For the girls, you have to do the same way. Hindi na muna akong palda, pero same step na siya sa boy. Yung kamay nasa likuran, pwedeng nakaganto, naka-close fist, or pwede ding naka-overlap. So yan siya. But I think I'll do the closed fist. So let's do it. Step, hop, 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 step, hop. Now let's do it with the count. Wait lang guys. Hinihingal ako. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, So yun. Now let's do the quarter turn. So we'll go straight, face right. Ready? Step your left foot first or your right foot first. It's okay. Kahit saan sa kanila pwede. So let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, So yun siya. Nakakahinga. Pwede natin siyang gawin pabalik. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, So that's it guys. That's the skip step. Now, let's do it with the music. Let's go. So I think everyone, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying up here. I hope that you learned something from this video. I'm sure that this will help you in your studies, most especially in your PE class. Also, to those who want to know the folk dance. Kung tinatanong nyo guys kung saan ko nakuha yung music ko, actually sponsored lang yan ni Sir Dandan. Ay yung social media niya. Sir Dandan, thank you so much sa music. Na-appreciate ko talaga kasi nakakatulong siya sa paggawa ko ng content. Pasensyahan nyo na ako guys, nahingal ako. Pero sana na-appreciate nyo yung effort ko sa video na to. And that's it. Thank you so much for staying and for supporting me, supporting my videos. Thank you so much. Also, don't forget to be kind sa mga comments nyo kasi syempre taon hindi ako na-hurt ako. And yun, sa tulungan nyo pa rin ako sa magandang comments nyo. If you're new to my channel, consider giving a like, share, subscribe, and tap the post notification bell so that you'll get notified. Sa mga matagal ko na subscribers, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. My heart is the road to 9K, 9K, 9K. Thank you so much guys. See you next time. Bye.